Welcome to exams.com weekly current affairs. What is India's rank in the Global Unicorn Index 2025? Correct answer, rank 3rd. Who was conferred as Ghana's national honor, the officer of the Order of the Star of Ghana? The correct answer is Narendra Modi. Which Indian city launches India's first digital house address project with QR codes? Correct answer, Indore city. What is the GST amount collection for the month June 2025 is? Correct answer, 1.84 lakh crore rupees. GST day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer, July 1st. Which four nations launched first ever at sea observer mission in Indo-Pacific Sea? Correct answer, India, Japan, US and Australia. Who sets world record and becomes youngest to scale Europe's highest peak, Mount Elbrus? Correct answer, Tagbir Singh. In which place India's first wooden Gurdwara Sri Nanak Niwas was built? And the correct answer is Fazilka, Punjab. Railways Minister Ashwini Vaishnav launches which application as one-stop platform? And the correct answer is Rail One application. World Sports Journalist Day is observed every year on which date? And the correct answer is July 2nd. Who wins bronze medal at the 55th CISM World Military Shooting Championship 2025? Correct answer, Officer Omkar Singh. Who becomes India's top ranked chess player in July 2025? Correct answer, Pragyananda. International Plastic Bag Free Day is observed every year on which day? Correct answer, July 3rd. How many gold medals Indian wrestlers got in U23 and U17 Asian Wrestling Championships? Correct answer, 18 gold medals. Inaugural edition of Rugby Premier League 2025 held in which place? Correct answer, Mumbai, India. How many wildlife overpass are there in India's longest, widest animal overpass corridor? Correct answer, 5 wildlife overpass. Which country suspends cooperation with the International Atomic Energy Agency? Correct answer, Iran country. What is the distance stretched in India's longest and widest animal overpass corridor? Correct answer, 12 km stretch. World Chocolate Day is observed every year on which date? Correct answer, July 7th. The largest annual festival of Rath Yatra, also known as what? Correct answer, Chariot Festival. How many medals Indian wrestlers got in U23, U17 Asian Wrestling Championships 2025? Correct answer, total 35 medals. Which team wins the inaugural edition of the Hockey India Masters Cup 2025? Correct answer, Tamil Nadu. Uttar Pradesh, which park has been added in the UNESCO tentative list of World Heritage Sites? Correct answer, Salkhan Fossil Park. Who has been appointed as the next Secretary of the Research and Analysis Wing, RAW? Correct answer, Sri Parag Jain. Which country will be hosting 23rd edition of the World Police and Fire Games? Correct answer, Gujarat, India. The first Indian men's cricketer who scored a century in all three formats of cricket? Correct answer, Suresh Raina. Which team wins the inaugural edition of the Hockey India Masters Cup 2025 women's title? Correct answer, Odisha State. India's longest and widest animal overpass corridor opened in which expressway? Correct answer, Delhi-Mumbai Expressway. Who becomes first Indian women cricketer to hit centuries in all three formats? Correct answer, Smriti Mandhana. The inaugural edition of the Hockey India Masters Cup was held at which city? Correct answer, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. What is the remittances by overseas Indians in financial year? Correct answer, $135.46 billion. Who is the world number one ranking in the javelin throw? Correct answer, Neeraj Chopra. Salkhan Fossil Park is also known as what? Correct answer, Sanbhadra Fossils Park. Government of India decided to launch India's first quantum computing valley in which place? Correct answer, Amravati, Andhra Pradesh. Inaugural edition of World Super Kabaddi League will be held in which place? Right answer, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Who is the youngest Asian to scale Mount Kilimanjaro? His name features in the Asian Book of Records and Indian Book of Records. Correct answer, Tegbir Singh. Bonalu is an annual festival that is celebrated in which state? Correct answer, Telangana state. What is the theme of National Statistics Day? Correct answer, 75 years of National Sample Survey. Inaugural edition of Asian India Cruise Dialogue held in which place? Correct answer, Chennai. National Doctors' Day is celebrated every year on which date? Correct answer, July 1st. Which wildlife reserves are there in India's longest and widest animal overpass corridor? Correct answer, Ranthambore Tiger Reserve. Which country launches climate change monitoring satellite named as GOSAT GW? Correct answer, Japan country. Union Home Minister Amit Shah inaugurates Natural Turmeric Board headquarters in which place? Correct answer, Nizamabad, Telangana. Which Indian chess player wins UZ Chess Cup Masters 2025? Correct answer, Pragyananda. Which is the highest mountain in Russia and Europe country? Correct answer, Mount Elbrus. Who wins maiden US Open 2025 title of badminton held in Iowa? Correct answer, Ayush Shetty. Who won the title of Unicorn Capital of the World? Correct answer, San Francisco. Who wins the inaugural edition of Rugby Premier League 2025 title? Correct answer, Chennai Bulls. What is the GST amount collection for the financial period 2024-2025 is? Correct answer, 22.08 lakh crore rupees. Who is head or chairman of the National Turmeric Board? Correct answer, Palle Gangadhar Reddy. Thank you and best wishes. Kindly subscribe to exams.com. Please share, like and subscribe.